This video shows the 7 vegetables that are particularly helpful for weight loss. Starting with spinach, which is lower in calories and is versatile to use in all sort of recipes. Next in the list is broccoli. Broccoli is my favorite vegetable for its versatility and lower calories. This is more similar to spinach. Winter squash is an ideal low-calorie alternative to conventional spaghetti. Brussels sprout is loaded with fibers and it helps you to feel full for a long time. Green peas is almost 9 grams of fiber per cup. Green peas can help you meet your fiber goals and feel full with ease. Cauliflower contains just 27 calories per cup and it provides fiber which helps to slow digestion and promote a feeling of fullness. Sweet potato is high in fiber than white potato and it have a satisfying sweet flavor which is good for your diet.